Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, I'm back here. It's a different machine here. Yeah, this is one of the best tape recorder ever built by ReVoX B215. And the control unit is out of the box. It's here. Yes, I recap all the caps here. All the caps were replaced here. This is a special set here by Moser, Switzerland. Yeah, okay. I'm very happy. It's a very nice tape recorder here, made in Switzerland and in the Black Forest in Germany. Yeah, I think. Yeah, and here there are another Dolby boards. Audio boards, record boards here, but they are 1 and 2 and 3 in there. Yes, and I must recap also these prints here and replaced the pots here, all the pots. Yeah, wonderful, wonderful. I'm very happy here. 50 francs, only 50 francs here. No problem. I think it's a big work for the next few weeks. Yes, but all the radios here are to repair. I have enough work here. Yes, all these radios, tube radios here are to repair. No problem for the next few years. Okay, bye bye.